was even that?
Alright, what's going on, everybody? I appreciate you tuning in. We got both the bikes loaded up and the helmets back there. I think we're going to spend today just us two, and then I think tomorrow we're going to go out to Chuck's, and I think he's even going to wear the GoPro. So, going to do some wheelie practice out at our land, a little bit of goofing around, trail riding, and then go ride trails out at Chuck's. So, I hope you guys enjoy.
Man down, 11:30. Pip in distress.
And that right there is how you get short levers for $0.
Cut the show. I'm done.
Alright, good morning. I apologize for the tire tread noise. It's Sunday morning. I'm on my way out to Chuck's. I'm almost there now. But didn't get a lot of GoPro footage yesterday, so my bad for that. But we're gonna get a good bit today and some more tripod stuff, and I think Chuck said he was gonna wear it too, so I'll catch you guys whenever I get out here to Chuck's.
We successfully made it out of Chuck's. We're out here just goofing around. Chuck's about to put the GoPro on once I get back. Yeah, it's kind of pretty out here though.
If you're a four-stroke guy, this is it right here. When I talk to the camera, you gotta kind of scream at it.
Hey, it's been a wreck. Good job.
Yeah, sounds good.
I can pull a gear higher than what I was.
Yeah?
That's what I like about these. Something like this, you get it in third gear, and you just stay there.
Mm-hmm.
Boomhauer, I didn't understand a word you just said.
What you got out of it for?
I'm gonna flip it.
Alright, I think that about wraps this up for the video. Had a good time out at Chuck's. Shot the shit for a while. But I'm on my way home now, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you liked it, there's more coming. Yeah, I think that's about all, so appreciate you watching.